got a bird instead of a fish.
Anchoring in a thunderstorm.
Hi everyone, we are leaving Isla Gamez now. We saw a bunch of whales. I hope I can catch this video. There's the bream there. Oh, beautiful. This is Granos. The swell is quite big, so you see the bodyboard and the swell come up and then the boat disappear. The ocean is really clear. You can see the bottom.
We're currently on Isla Secas, taking the family for a dinghy ride. Domingo, what do you think of Isla Secas?
Cool places. Right. Sakura and I and then a bodyboard friend went to a paddle boarding a little to shore. That was very nice. Sakura did a little snorkeling and then that was really good.
We left Costa Rica, we spent a bit of time in Golfito, which is beautiful, and then we sailed with a buddy boat called Wander, and our first stop was Isla Parida, and we left at 3 o'clock in the morning and we got there at 6. It was perfect, so we didn't have to go overnight, and it's a good job because there was like big logs and all kinds of stuff in the waters, and half of them were submerged. You could just see them when you're on top of them, so it was good that we didn't go at night. The next day we went around the corner, went to Isla Gamez. After that we crashed the dinghy, we went to land, and Tomoko hit me in the head with an oar as a wave broke over and gave me a goosebump. Anyways, we wanted to go to a restaurant that was having lobster for 20 bucks, but they were closed. So yesterday we arrived here at this other anchorage, which is Isla Secas, and it's fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful here. That's the update.
We are leaving Isla Secas to Isla Blincanco, and now the lunch is fishing. Yesterday we ate fish. We caught so good, juicy and really tasty. And now birds around us to come to our fish roll.
Tomoko, come check this out. They're diving on my lure. They're scaring the fish away. Shoo! Go away! Get away from my lure! One of them actually picked up my lure. Yeah, they're totally hitting the lure. There's fish underneath. Yeah, like the lure is attracting fish, and these darn monkeys are reducing the chances of me catching a fish because these birds are scaring them away. Oh, shit. I've got a bird.
We got a bird instead of a fish. This is awful.
Okay,
oh my god.
I need to get the gloves.
Bird rescue. That's quite a coat. Is that how is it? Is that go? Whoa. Oh, release. Bye. Don't come to our fish trap.
este
Sí,
Domingo.
sí, dale, mami, dale.
Baja,
Dale, una foto.
Baja Honda.
Sí.
Baja Honda.
Bahía Honda. Un poco más seco, pero la parte allá es más hondo. Más hondo para allá. Bahía Honda.
おじさん取っといてよ。
Está bien.
Okay, and platinum.
Busca bien.
How much platinum do you want?
¿De cuál es que de este o de este? De todo.
It's
So all this is from our tree.
So este.
Oh, that's a banana.
How different?
Estaban un mes, 2 meses, buscamos el Domingo, dime, naranja, coconut, coco no, pipa.
Ah,
Decíamos, Mingo este y otro, caña, maíz, y todo yo iba escribiendo. Para, Mingo.
Oh, fabuloso.
Sí.
So amarillo,
Sí,
rojo,
amarillo y rojo.
rojo,
Sí.
mandarina, naranja,
Y papaya.
and papaya.
Papaya.
Papaya. Ah,
Toronja.
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 And este.
Paja de limón.
Pejemon.
Paja de limón.
Paja de limón.
Tú, por lo menos, van a hacer, tú vas a hacer, saca este.
Ah,
Cuando saca este, entonces tú lo quiebras y lo echas a hervir, en agua caliente.
agua caliente. ¿En qué tiempo en agua?
Cuando ya el agua está,
And then okay.
Sí.
And then out.
sí, hirviendo.
And con leche.
Si quieres sin leche también, pero con leche también.
And azúcar. Azúcar. Sugar. Azúcar.
Azúcar.
Yeah. So. Okay. Okay.
Por lo menos, escucha.
Okay, Domingo.
¿Qué me decís? Escucha.
We just left the Bahia Honda, and then we had an interesting experience there. Everybody came to us to chat and then ask something. It's a little overwhelming, but here we go. We're leaving and to next destination. Sakura, do you want to say something?
So we arrived in Bahia Honda, and we heard that the sailboats that come in are sort of looked upon like a floating free tienda. Tienda meaning store. So we arrive in Bahia Honda, and literally before we even dropped the hook, we had a couple of boats coming to us already. You know, like
Holy mackerel, you should see the size of the school that just popped up behind us, being chased by something. They're all hopping out of the water.
oh, I'll get back to you on this. Turn on. So to finish off where I was, right before we could even put the anchor down, we had 2 pangas come to the boat, and they were just asking for everything. It's like we were a floating store, free store. We were the free store that had arrived in the bay, and we gave them medicine, clothing.
No, you did.
We gave them sweets for their kids,
swear to God.
writing materials, writing pads, shoes, money.
you did,
We bought things off them. It was great to see the community, but at the same time it was a little bit overwhelming. We realized afterwards that the reason why they came to us right before we put the anchor down is because after those guys came, we had even more people coming, selling us art. We bought some art. It was a little bit overwhelming, to say the least, and I think that we gave so much away. We realized that this is probably going to be a reoccurring theme, and we realized that we didn't really save stuff to give to the next group of people, so we kind of made a bit of an error there. We should have just given out like 1 piece here, 1 piece there. Anywho's, we helped out the community, which was good, and they were nice people. They said that the pandemic was pretty hard on them, and even now they're still recovering. Yeah, they lost all their tourists, so it was good that we were able to help out. And there's something special about Panama in the sense that, and the people, like you kind of feel their hardship. They're definitely harder up than people in Costa Rica. I get the impression they might even be a little bit more harder up than people in El Salvador. Maybe on par with El Salvador, but El Salvador we never got hassled by anybody. That's the update.
We caught the yellowfin tuna.
But he's just a baby, so we're gonna put him back in. Pretty cool, eh? Okay, players.
in this black rain cloud later, and outside is just literally miserable rain and so close thunderdown. So we are the pocket of the thunderstorm now, and then we change the anchoring place for better clearance. Now outside is a little calm. Still the cloud is really gray, but it's not pouring rain. Still hear the thunder, but seems not super close.
Anchoring in a thunderstorm!